Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the series of Introduction to Computer Programming. In this video, we will discuss about constants in C or C++ programming language. As the name suggests, the name constants are given to such variables or values in C or C++ programming language which cannot be modified or changed. Once they are defined, they are fixed values. They cannot be changed throughout the execution of the program. A constant can be of any data type like integer, character, float, etc. Now, how to define a constant? In C or C++ programming language, we can define constants in two different ways. The first method is by using a constant keyword. Const is the keyword for constant. We have to write this constant in the main function. Syntax is constant space data type space the name of constant equals to the value for the constant which we are going to use throughout the execution. Let's see an example. If we want to define pi 3.14, how we can write it in our program? We are going to start it by hash include iostream. Then we will write the main function and we have to write it in the main function. Constant const is the keyword for constant, space float, it is the data type, space pi, it is the name of the constant, equal to 3.14, which is the value assigned to pi. Now the value of pi will remain same throughout the execution. Now coming to the second method, by using a hash define, which is a preprocessor directive. We must define it in the very beginning of the program. It is because we must write all the preprocessor directives before the global declaration. The syntax is hash define, it is the preprocessor, space, name of the constant, space value. Now how we are going to use in a computer program? Hash include iostream. Now comes the preprocessor here, hash define pi space 3.14. Now the main function comes, integer main. In the main function we are using, if we are using pi, the value is 3.14 and it cannot be changed throughout execution. Hope this is informative for you. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Allah.